Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Muhammad Ilyas, and today in this video we are going to learn about order and unorder list. So let's start the video. Okay, okay. So as you can see, I have opened my HTML folder into VS Code. So let's create a file and let's see what is order and unorder list. So I'll create a file with the name of 4 list.html, and here let's start with the syntax, HTML syntax. Okay, so I'll create a HTML tag. Inside that we're going to have head tag, and after that we're going to have a body tag, and inside head tag we'll have a title. I'll write it as list. Okay, and in the body, in order to have the or use the order list, we are going to have a tag or element, we can say. So ol we need to use. Okay, so let's use it. So I'll start with the angular basis and ol, and inside that we're going to have one more tag which is called as list item. Okay, so li. Okay, so here let's add it like home, and one more list item with about us. Okay, so I'll just save this file, and as we have the extension live server, what we can do is we can right click and we can open with live server. You can click on that and it will going to open into the browser. So yes, now you can see we have opened that list.html file here, and we are able to see the output. Okay, so I'll just take you to the second side and I'll take you this here. So okay, order list, right? So order list, we have it here, and we can see whenever we put it like this in close with the ol, and inside that whenever you give the list item, it will going to come like this. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 like this it will come. So if we take so much data, you can easily see it is giving us serial number. So if you want some data to show in a serial number format, you can use ol and you can get this data. Okay, so one more we have is unordered list. So let's see how we can use that. So for unordered list, we have tag element, which we need to use is ul. Okay, so ul unordered list, let's use it, and inside that same thing we have to use list item. So irrespective of like ol or ul, you have to use li only, list items. Okay, so I'll just put it here, and inside that let's create the same thing about us. Okay, so I have saved here, and you can see we got the changes. And with the unordered list, it will not going to show you the serial number. Instead it will going to show you the bullet dots. Okay, so that's the difference between ol and ul. If you want to use the serial number wise, you can use an order list, which is ol. And if you want to use if you don't want to use the serial number, that time you can use unordered list, which will give you the bullet points. Okay, so like this way, order list and unordered list will work. Okay, so now we know what is unordered list and what is order list. So let's see what is the use of this. Okay, so generally, if you want to show 1 2 3 4 like serial number on bullet dot, you can use it. But what one more thing is there where we use this. Okay, so creating the navigation bar. So in the websites you will see like we'll have home button, about us, or it once you click it, it will going to take you somewhere else, somewhere some other page, right? So for that kind of thing, we use the unordered list or order list in order to show that. So let me create one file, and we'll going to create one navigation bar, and we'll try to navigate to the previous files which we have created here. Okay, so I'll create one more 04 navigation bar dot html I have created, and same thing we need to create HTML tag inside that head tag, and then we should be having the body tag. In head, we'll should be have title. I'll say navigation, and let's save it and let's open this file. So I'll just close this one and let's open this one. Yeah, now it's open and we don't have any content, but we can see the title as navigation here. So let me create a unordered list with some list items. So what I'll do is I'll write the first app name, and then we have the other thing which is like our HTML elements one. So I'll just write it at HTML elements, and the third file we want to navigate to is block and line level. So I'll write block and line here and let's save it. So now we can see first app, HTML elements and block and lines. Okay. So this we can see. Now we need to navigate to these files, the other files we need to navigate. So in order to navigate, in a like previous video, we have saw that one tag is there, which that tag we can use it. So that tag name is anchor tag, a tag. Okay. So let's use that inside the list item. Okay. So I'll create a tag, and in between that I'll paste this first tab, and here we need to provide the href of it. Okay. So if you just do dot slash, you will be able to see all the files which are there inside this folder. Okay. If you want to go outside this folder, you do dot slash. Okay. So in that way you can see the other folders also. If outside the folder you have the file, that way you can use double dot. Okay. In case of you are having like you have to go three times back. Okay, you can't have triple dot. Okay, instead of what you have to do is slash and one more double dot and slash. It will take you outside of the folder. Okay, so that way you can go. So but we have the file inside this current folder only, so we'll do dot slash only, and for the first tab I'll do this. Okay, so here I have referenced that 01 first tab dot html. Okay, so let me save this, and same thing let's create it for the different ones also. So for this h reference we'll have the second one, and for this we'll have the third one. Okay, so I have saved this. Now you can see the text got changed. Previously it's just black color. Now it's saying blue color or something else. Okay, so now if I click on first tab, it will automatically going to navigate me to this particular file. Okay, first tab, and you see we only have this much content in that. Okay, so let's see if we can get that once I click on this. Okay, so yeah, now I have clicked. Now you can see this is the first app.html we are able to see here. Okay, and let's go back and let's try to go inside the block and line file. Okay, so I'm clicking on this, and now you see we got the content for the block and line level .html file. Okay, so this is how you can create a navigation bar using the unordered list, or if you want to use order list, that way also it's fine, but you can use it. But in order to navigate to one file to the other file, you have to use the anchor tag. Okay. Yes, this is about order list and unordered list, and we also saw how we can create a simple navigation bar and navigate to the other file. So thank you very much guys for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and like a video if you are feeling like this is very helpful to you, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.